In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll go from finding Notion on Google to logging in, creating a new page, and setting up a clean two-column layout, with simple tips along the way. Open your browser, go to Google, type Notion, and open the official site. Check for the padlock in the address bar so you know you're on the right page before signing in. This avoids lookalike sites and keeps your account safe. On the home page, click Log In and use your usual method. If you have multiple workspaces, pick the one you want. Once you're in, you'll see the sidebar on the left and the main content in the center. This is where you'll build your page. Create a fresh canvas by clicking New Page. Keep it empty so we can focus on layout, or choose a simple template if you prefer. Give the page a clear title. Good names make it easy to search and keep things organized as your workspace grows. On the new page, hover to the left of a blank line until the 6 small dots appear. That handle controls each block. Click it to open Quick Options, the fastest way to insert and arrange content, including the column layouts we want. In the search field that opens, start typing column. Notion filters choices in real time. When you see 2 columns, click it. Your page instantly splits into 2 sections, ideal for separating content like tasks on one side and notes or images on the other. Tips for columns. On large screens, they sit side by side. On phones, they stack, which is expected. Adjust spacing by dragging the divider between them, and move blocks by grabbing the 6-dot handle and dropping content into either column. If the 6 dots don't appear, make sure your cursor is on a new line and hover slightly left. If the insert menu doesn't show after you click inside the page once and try again. If 2 columns isn't listed, you may be in a database entry. That's the workflow. Search with Google, log in, create a new page, use the 6-dot handle, type column, and choose 2 columns. You now have a flexible layout ready for your content.